Animal like protists. Animal like protists are unicellular. Unicellular means they consist of only single cell. Point number 2. They ingest food by endocytosis. Endocytosis is a process when cells take food in the form of vesicles. Point number 3. Groups of protozoa. Protozoa means animal protists are also called protozoa. Group of protozoa are zooflagellate, amoeba, actinopoda, foraminifera, epicomplexon, ciliate. Further, we will discuss one by one this group.